Okay, this is the doorway where we put the floating floor, and there's the door. And we're using, or I'm using, right now, I don't want to blame my boyfriend on this mess I'm doing. Using that where it'll, you know, the floating floor has to shift with humidity and all, so we needed the stretchy kind. And I'm using this tool, and I've put a very messy bead of caulk. I kind of neatened it up before I started filming. And here's the tool I got. And so I'm going to go down here. Well, I'm walking a lot. And I'm just applying a little pressure and pulling it. There we go, now you can see. And have a lot of towels. Look at that blob. You're not supposed to put that much, but oh, something I wanted to show you. That little opening, that cuts the tip off your caulking. I shouldn't have cut my tip so far down. I should have made it there toward the end. And then this little gadget, that little wire, you flip it out. Well, it's kind of stuck to it now, but then you can poke the hole down in there to get the caulk coming out. And you see this big blob I got hanging? I like to, after I've done, you know, run my bead of caulk, I like to, let's see if I can show you. I like to push that in, that keeps some of the pressure off. And now I've got to clean that up. Okay, apparently it wasn't filming the last part. I went back and I put more pressure on the floor side, and it's neatened that up some. Zip up here it hasn't, so. And it's hard with this light. Let me move the light down. Put my pressure down here. You can see it gathering. Well, I can see it gathering up some more stuff. I don't know if you can. I'm dragging it along. It's neatening it up. So, you know, even if you do a really messy job and got a heavy hand like me, it can be neatened up with a tool like that. It's a very handy little tool, and professionals will probably die laughing if they see my video, but hey, girls gotta do what girls gotta do. Bye, y'all.